Welcome to Beautyistic, where we explore the best of skincare with a deeper, more insightful look. Today, let's talk about a product that's been generating some buzz in the clean skincare world, the Alma Time Repair Booster with Bakuchiol. This is a face serum formulated to not only hydrate and brighten your complexion, but also help maintain your skin's natural balance. A lightweight product with big claims. So let's dive in and see if it lives up to them. Alma Time Repair Booster is a hydrating serum designed to target fine lines and boost your skin's firmness and radiance. What makes this serum stand out is its use of Bakuchiol, a natural alternative to retinol that provides similar anti-aging benefits, but without the irritation often associated with retinol. This makes it a great option for sensitive skin types looking for a youthful glow without the harsh effects. The serum is also infused with Dead Sea minerals and hyaluronic acid, two powerhouse ingredients known for their hydrating and skin rejuvenating properties. Now let's talk about the real-world testing. I've been incorporating this serum into my daily skincare routine for a few weeks now, and here's what I've noticed. First off, the texture is smooth and lightweight, which makes it easy to layer under moisturizers or sunscreens without feeling heavy. It's perfect for both morning and evening routines. The scent is very mild, which is a plus for those who prefer fragrance-free products. In terms of results, this serum does deliver a noticeable hydration boost. After applying, my skin felt plumper, and I noticed a subtle radiance, particularly around my cheekbones. As for fine lines, I didn't expect miracles overnight, but after consistent use, I've observed a slight smoothing effect. The texture of my skin feels softer and more even, though I wouldn't say it's a drastic change in terms of lifting or firming. It's more of a gradual improvement. What stands out about this serum is its clean ingredients. Alma is dedicated to sustainable skincare, which is a plus for those looking for products that respect both your skin and the environment. The Dead Sea minerals in the formula also contribute to a rejuvenating effect, providing your skin with the nourishment it needs to look and feel better. However, if you're someone looking for a more intense anti-aging serum, you might not find this product quite as powerful as some other treatments with higher concentrations of active ingredients like retinol. Let's weigh the pros and cons. Pros: lightweight and absorbs quickly into the skin, making it easy to incorporate into any routine. The Bakuchiol offers a gentle alternative to retinol, making it suitable for sensitive skin. Hydrating ingredients like hyaluronic acid and Dead Sea minerals leave your skin feeling nourished and plump. Clean and sustainable formulation with no harsh chemicals, which is great for eco-conscious consumers. Cons: the firming and anti-aging effects are more gradual than immediate, so those looking for fast results might be disappointed. It's on the pricier side compared to other serums with similar claims, so the value for money could be a concern if you're on a tight budget. It doesn't target more severe signs of aging as aggressively as some other serums that focus on deeper wrinkles or sagging. When it comes to value for money, Alma Time Repair Booster is a bit of a mixed bag. On one hand, you're getting clean, high-quality ingredients with a focus on sustainability, which is important for those looking for eco-friendly options. However, for its price, you might want to consider whether you're looking for something more intensive in terms of firming or anti-aging results. If you're in the market for something similar, but more affordable, there are other Bakuchiol-based serums that provide comparable benefits without the same price tag. Some alternatives may not offer the exact mineral blend, but they do provide solid hydration and anti-aging benefits. As for build quality, the packaging is simple but sturdy, ensuring that the product is dispensed properly without waste. The longevity of the product seems good, as a little goes a long way, and I haven't noticed any degradation in texture or performance over the few weeks I've been using it. If you've had any experience with the brand's customer service, you know that Alma is known for its responsive and helpful team, though I didn't personally need to contact them during this review process. In conclusion, Alma Time Repair Booster with Bakuchiol is a solid serum for those looking to gently address signs of aging while providing deep hydration. Its clean ingredients and sustainable approach make it a great option for eco-conscious skincare enthusiasts. While it may not deliver dramatic results for more mature skin, it's a great option for anyone starting to notice fine lines and looking for a gentle yet effective way to boost radiance and hydration. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that bell icon so other beauty lovers can discover honest reviews like this. Your support helps us continue bringing you the best insights in beauty. Thanks for watching, and if you've used this serum, let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Stay beautiful, inside and out.